aroma of curry leaves and the flavor. It just gives you a nice feeling. Winter is coming, so I'm harvesting all the greens like curry leaves and wash it very nicely, and then you can dry it in the shade using a paper towel or a cloth towel, kitchen napkin. And we are going to make sure that this is dry, there is no moisture, and roast other ingredients. Take some oil. You can also dry roast all the ingredients in the recipe. It turns out good. So this is urad dal. Roast it, and once it's half roasted, add peanuts. You can also use roasted peanuts. And I roast all the ingredients separately because every ingredient has a different burning point and a different roasting point. Like this roasted gram dal, it gets roasted very easily, so make sure the flame is very low. If you take roasted chana dal, chickpea, then it will take a little bit more time. Same thing with sesame seeds, roasted on a very low flame. And also cumin seeds, roast on a very low flame, otherwise they'll get burnt and you'll get a smoky flavor very easily. So we are going to roast all the ingredients and allow it to cool down before putting it in the blender, because if you put it hot in the blender, it will give a little moisture and it will get spoiled. Coconut, if you are making in a big quantity, then don't use coconut because of the shelf life. Smaller quantity, coconut you can use. Tamarind will give a nice flavor to this. So now we are going to roast curry leaves. Use spices. I have used red chili powder. You can also use dried red chilies. So this also I'm roasting curry leaves on a very low flame until they become very crunchy. And once they become crunchy, they get burnt very easily. So be careful. Blend it. Cool it down completely and store in an airtight container. Use it on rice, idli, anything you like.